Good morning, children. How are you? Hope all of you all are keeping in good health. And are you safe? Okay. So let's continue with the grammar itself, because we are little, lagging with the lesson. So let us catch up with the portions, because exams will begin by the next month, maybe by the 10th, and it will be over by the 22nd or so. So let's just catch up with the portion, okay? We're going to learn today about adjectives. You have learned in the second standard. This is only a continuation. And you know what is adjective. Many of you all would have forgotten, because may have been, not in touch with grammar. Okay. Adjective means it's a describing word, describing a noun or a pronoun, giving more details on a noun or a pronoun. It's called adjective. What is it? Adjective. Yes. A-D-J-E-C-T-I-V-E. Adjective. That means describing word, describing a noun or a pronoun, giving more details about it, saying more about it. Now, this is a duster. The noun is duster. The duster is black and grey. See, I said more about the duster is, I said black and grey. These are the two words I describe the duster. So what we say about or describe about a noun or a pronoun, it is called adjective. What we talk about or give more details about a pronoun or a noun, that is called adjective. Now you understood here, black and grey are the adjective of the duster. Now, this is a scale. This is a scale. The scale is long and it is of steel. The scale is long and it is of steel. Now, what are the describing words I used here? Yes, I said it is long. Yes, L-O-N-G, long. That is a describing word. And I also use it is of steel, made of steel. So these are the ways you describe a thing. That is called adjective. So you do not forget about a noun or a pronoun, what we talk about, or what are the details given about, that is called adjective. So all of you keep your book ready, page number 49. We just read through this. Read the following passage. So you will know what are the describing words used here, what are the adjectives used here. It was a bright and sunny Sunday morning. About Sunday morning, it is described as bright and sunny. There are two adjectives used there. With a clear blue sky. Now the sky is not just a sky, clear blue sky. A cool breeze was blowing. About the breeze, it is said cool breeze. Sunil felt it was ideal to play cricket before it became hot. So, already mentioned bright and sunny day. So, before it becomes dark, who's this? Yes, Sunil. Sunil planned, he felt it is ideal, means it's a correct time to play before it becomes hot. He phoned a few friends. Arun was lazy boy. Arun was a lazy boy. He phoned a few friends. Arun was a lazy boy. He was still asleep. Arun was a clever boy and he had to do his homework. See here, about Arun, it is said he was a lazy boy. The adjective is lazy And Varun was a clever boy. So the adjective here it is clever. Krish had to look after his old grandmother. Krish. Krish had to look after his, it's not only just said grandmother, old grandmother. That means she would have been aged, many years old she may be. Since his mother had to go to the market. Sunil's friends were all busy. See, the friends were all busy. The describing word is, the adjective is busy. Sunil was unhappy for some time. Now here the attitude or the feeling of Sunil is unhappy. Then he started to clean his room, arranged all his books and started to read a good book. About the book is specified or mentioned. About the book, the noun is book here. The book is the noun here. And the describing word about the book is, yes, good book. His mother was happy. Now the feeling of his mother, the mother has been described as she is happy. So these are called the adjectives. Now adjectives are the words that describe a noun or a pronoun. They tell us something more about the noun or a pronoun. This is what we said in the beginning of the class. Now in the above passage we already mentioned that adjectives bright and sunny describe the morning, kind of morning. What kind of a morning it was? Bright and sunny. Clear, blue and cool tells us about the sky and the breeze. Now turn to page number 50. Then lazy, clever and old tell us more about some people. So adjectives helps us to imagine and make pictures in our mind from the word that we read. So let's understand. Usually adjectives are placed before the noun. Yes, that also you have to keep in mind. Adjectives are placed before the noun. Adjective is placed means it's written before the noun. The nouns or pronouns that they describe. Sometimes adjectives placed after the noun or pronoun. It can be also placed after the noun or a pronoun also. Right. Now, in the passage above, blue, sky, lazy, boy, old, grandmother are some examples of adjectives being placed before the nouns. Sunil was happy is example of the adjective placed after the noun. So it can be placed before or after. Depends. In the following sentences, underline the adjectives and circle the nouns that they describe. About what you describe and about the noun which you describe, you have to circle and circle and then underline. What you have to underline? Underline the adjective. Underline the adjective and circle the noun. Now the first sentence is, this suitcase is heavy. Now the adjective is come after and the noun is come before. Now which is the noun and which is the adjective? Yes, underline the adjective, okay. And all the adjectives should be underlined and circle the noun. Now here, which is the adjective and which is the noun? This suitcase is heavy. Yes, suitcase is what noun? Heavy is adjective. So underline the adjective and circle suitcase, underline heavy. The Konark temple is very big. The Konark temple is very big. Now what is the noun here? Yes, Konark temple is a noun. Very big is the adjective. The package is very small. About the package. Package is the noun and very small is the adjective. My sister got a beautiful dress for her birthday. Now who is the adjective here and who is the noun here? Yes, sister, and yes, beautiful is the adjective. Circle and underline. The referee showed the yellow card. Now who is the noun? Referee. Yellow card is the adjective. The lawn is very green. Lawn, where the grass is grown, that is called the lawn. Full will be grown and it will be mowed. Mowed means trim it well and keep it like a nice green carpet. That is called a lawn. Grass is grown in a particular area. That is called lawn. Not lawn, okay? Lawn is different. L-A-W, lawn is very green. Yes, lawn is the noun and very green is the adjective. The bat is heavy. What is the adjective here? Heavy. Bat is the noun. The guavas are sweet. The guavas. You know what is guava? Yes, in every house you find a tree and it is green in color. When it becomes ripe, it becomes a little more lighter green. That is guavas. Not goa. It is not goa. Guavas are sweet. Which is the noun? Guava. And yes, sweet is the adjective. He is a tall man. He is a tall man. Adjective here it is. What is it? Yes. Adjective is tall. Yes. Man is the noun. We are going on a short vacation. Going on a short vacation. Yes. We are going on a short vacation. Short is the adjective. Yes. My father is a busy man. My father is a busy man. The noun here is father. Yes. Busy is the adjective. The unhappy woman was crying. Unhappy adjective. Woman. Noun. Fill in the blanks using the antonyms. You know what is antonyms? Opposites of the adjectives numbered in the help box. The first one is already done for you. Yes. The boys enjoying flying kites on windy day. On windy day. So the adjectives I've given here. From that we already one is done here. Windy day. The milk was too dash to drink. So cold antonym. Yes, hot. So right there, hot. The dash cat was sleeping in the shade. Slim cat. Slim means very thin. The slim cat was sleeping in the shade. The fat. Right there, fat. My father likes to wear dash shirts. Designer shirts. Designer means with designs. So you write plain, P-L-A-I-N, plain shirt. The cake was very bitter. What is the antonym of bitter? Sweet. Right there, sweet. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. Even in winter, he bathes in dash water. Hot water. So hot here, you have to write it cold. Sixth one is cold, cold water. The lady in the dash sari is my mother. White. What is the antonym of white? Yes, black. Right there, B-L-A-C-K, black. Eighth one, the dash man standing next to my father is his boss. Here, eighth one is given here short. What is the antonym of short? Tall. T-A-L-L. Right there, tall. Ninth one, we have some dash trees in our garden which we can climb. Tall. If it is tall, you can't climb. So here it is written, we have some dash trees. Tall, opposite, short. S-H-O-R-T, short. 10th one, dash hut the dash hut fell during the heavy rains. Fell means it had collapsed. Big. Opposite is small. Okay. The small hut fell during the heavy rains. Fell means it collapsed. It had fallen down. Okay. Come back with the next video.